Can these failures impact our heart health? Let's know more from Dr. Somil.
And all this ultimately in 5 to 10 years will affect your heart. It will either dilate your heart or will lead to a heart attack.
How can one strike balance between emotional health and physical well-being for a healthy heart?
A healthy mind is very important for a healthy body. So basically, there are 3 pillars for this. If I broadly specify, first is proper sleep. Your sleep hygiene has to be proper. You have to sleep in the night and get up in the day. The reverse pattern may go on well for few years for you, but in the long term it will not be helpful, because that is how you are biologically made, to sleep in the night and to stay awake in the morning. Second is the sedentary lifestyle. We are becoming couch potatoes. We are not working out. We are just sitting in the office for 12 hours, and in the weekends we are just going out and partying. That is not how our body is supposed to work. At least what the recommendations are, that we at least need to work 5 days a week. If we are taking Saturday, Sunday off, at least 5 days a week, 30 minutes per day of exercise is required. And the third thing is that we are opting for cigarettes and alcohol. Moderation is required in that. I will not say that you don't drink or you don't smoke, but if you're doing that, you need to be moderate with that. You can't do that every day. You can't smoke 10 cigarettes a day. So these 3 things I think are important to strike a balance between your physical and mental health.
Doctor, when someone notices unusual symptoms related to their cardiovascular health, which test would you suggest to them?
So I'll start with an ECG and basic blood tests, such as for sugar, for lipid, basic KFT, CBC. And in case I feel that there is something wrong, I'll go for an 2D echocardiography, which will tell the exact status of the heart. But that is only after the doctor's discretion, and only after you visit a doctor this should be done.
What message would you like to give to our audience to maintain a hearty health and for their overall well-being?
So there is a common saying, eat, pray, love and sleep. So just do that. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Try to exercise. If you don't exercise, try to play something. Even if you play badminton 30 minutes a day, that is also fine. Try to stay away from drugs as much as possible. Try moderation in everything. Try to have a good sleep pattern, and try to have a balance between your professional and personal life, because excess of both will be bad for you. That is the only message. And in case you have a symptom, please come and see a doctor. Don't ignore them, because most of the heart attacks that happen in India are ignored as heartburns, and they keep ignoring them for 2-3 days until the time they present to us. It is actually very late. So even a heartburn that is persisting for 2-3 hours, please go and see a doctor.